Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So today I have a video response for Katpaperlove here on YouTube, and she is hosting a anniversary giveaway on her channel, and it's her 1-year anniversary. So what you have to do is create a memory decks card, and you're supposed to decorate it in your style, but a birthday theme. So I'm just gonna go ahead and share with you all. I love purple, I love the color purple, and I love mermaids. So this is my memory decks card that I came up with. It's a shaker, and I used the paper pad that I had just hauled from KSP by Louisa. Whoops. Well, there goes my card. Well, anyway, I want to share with you what I used. I do not have a punch. I do not have a die cutting machine, so I had to create the memory decks myself. Okay. I found a YouTube video on how to create your memory decks cards with just a, let me get it, envelope punch. Okay, so this is what I used, and you just measure in how far you want to make your what is this called, tab, and there's different ways to make it. Okay, there's the from one side, and there's the center, and then here is the right side. Or is that the left? That's the left. Left, right, and center. Okay, so what I did, I took some of the cards that I just hauled from Louisa, and that's what I used to make the card, my index card. Okay, and with the card that that I hauled, purchased, the pattern is on the front and the back of the card. So that's awesome. You can get two index cards out of one. Okay, so lucky me, she had purple, and I went from there. So this is the card I chose. Also on the tutorial, it shows you how to make your own hole punch for the memory decks. So I used the envelope punch board, punched my own holes, and then I created a shaker memory card. So what I had to use was my scrap foam, and this is just the foam that you get in the children's aisle. It's very thin, so I doubled the layer, and that's what gave me the depth of my card in order to create my shaker. Okay, so the other thing I used were some stickers from Dollar Tree, and I get majority of my supplies from Dollar Tree because it's the easiest to get to. So I used 2 stickers from here, and that is in my memory decks card, right in there, and then this one, beautiful mermaid right here, and I'm trying to show it to you without the glare. Okay, and to the clear plastic that I used was scrapbook envelopes, or not envelopes, but the clear protector, whatever. I can't speak anymore, it's so late. So these are Dollar Tree stickers. The paper is the paper pad that I hauled, like I said, from Louisa. And the name of that one is Stay Magical. And that was all her scraps I used. Yep, it was the Stay Magical paper pad. At first I cut out some mermaids, but it wasn't, you know, I wasn't happy with it. Okay, and then I had I wanted some ephemera. I don't have ephemera. What's new, Eileen? So I just took some of her scraps and I cut out the little sand dollars and I placed it up on the center tab up here on the top. Okay, so the happy birthday I used was from let me see, it's just from my stash, and it was all the gold. Here we go. I guess it's from Michael's. It was $5.99, but I paid $1.99, and this was a long time ago, a while back. And I just used one of the happy birthdays here from the pad, and it's white and gold letters. Okay, so that's what I used for my happy birthday. And then I just added some gems from Walmart. I cut out some more of the shells, and this little sticker right here, that's from the Dollar Tree set from the mermaids. Okay, and inside you can see little stickers. There's little fishes in there. Fish, they're not fishes, they're fish. And so because I used the foam, I had to somehow conceal the side. So what I did use was some fun yarn from Dollar Tree that I had hauled a while back, and I just covered up my edges. I went around it 2 times. Okay, so you could barely even see the purple paper, but that's what I used. Okay, and so on the back you're supposed to add your information. You're supposed to put your name and your you know, YouTube channel and your all the information, your birthday and all that good stuff that she required. And I made a pocket. I used one of the paper scraps right here, this purple paper, and then another scrap piece of paper from the same collection, and also one of the cut aparts I put on here. And this is the mermaid from the paper pad from this collection. So these are all from the same collection. And I just took my little hole puncher and I cut a little opening right there, just so I could put it in there easier and take it out. And then this is a notepad from Target Dollar Spot a long time ago, and I hauled it like, you know, last year I think. So the paper pad, the sheets are very, very thin, lightweight, so that wouldn't be, you know, strong or sturdy. So I just glued it. I backed it with another piece of scrapbook paper, and then I put all my information on the back. And the last thing I did was I just wrote Katpaperlove on the front, right across the front of the mermaid, and I added a paper clip. And so that way, when she goes to show the back of my index card or memory dex card, it won't just be out there in the open. She can pull it out and see it when she wants to see it, if she wants to see it. But yes, so that's it for my memory dex card, and I'm done with this. And that is the only requirement. You just make a memory dex card and you send it in. But because I have a dimension and a thickness, I had to create a little box to send my Memory Dex card out. Okay, and I will not give a tutorial on this because this was really this took me like an hour and a half to figure out. So I will just say that that is it for that. Now I just take my Memory Dex card and slide all the hair yarn in and tuck it in real nice. Oh, and this paper that I'm using for the box, oh, I put a little Velcro to keep it closed. Just cut it in half. It's the Dollar Tree Velcro kit circles. So that's what I used. And I just cut one of the circles in half, and that was it. So this fits in there real nice, so my top won't get smashed. And I just cover that up. Okay, just like that. And I made a little belly band. This collection is the Magic Hour. That's the purple paper pad with the mermaids and the unicorns and all that. That collection is from Michaels. So I made a little belly band, and I used my envelope punch to make my little bow. And this mermaid is from, I think it was Hobby Lobby. And then I just added a gem right above the mermaid. And those are the tails. I just made 2 extra tails and gave it a little pop, just like that. Okay. I just slipped the box right over the belly band, or the belly band right over the box. And just like that, I'm done. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to share my little Memory Dex card, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And check out Katpaperlove. She is hosting that giveaway. Leave a comment down below if you love purple. Thumbs up this video. Bye, guys.